It isn't just a business. It's my daughter's livelihood. It's a way to enrich other people's lives. It's a way to be a part of the growing Tampa Bay area. Premier Epoxy is different for a lot of reasons. The level of customer service from the initial call to the completion of work is a testament to our level of care. This topic is harped on quite a bit in our industry. We do extensive research to find what's best for each type of application. Organization in our industry is extremely important. If things are out of place, it can cause irreversible effects. My background in the hospitality industry has hardwired me to be structured in a meticulous way. Premier Epoxy's goal is to be a local, trustworthy staple in the eyes of the Tampa Bay area. The goal has always been to hold out a sense of reliability and professionalism that allows for an instantaneous reciprocation of feelings. We strive not to be the norm, not just another flooring company, for people to know why we are different. We don't just install floors, we create them.